Why garlic is a must-have for healthy chickens. I'll give you the reason why garlic should be part of your diet in your poultry farming business. So number one, this is a natural antibiotic. And this simply means that you don't have to starve and start spending a lot of money in buying antibiotics. Number two, it is a natural dewormer. What you have to know is that if your chickens, especially us who keep local chickens and those who keep uh, layers, it is always a must. It's always a must that you should deworm your chickens every month. So if you're using garlic in your poultry farm, you will not need to start buying medicine for deworming your chickens. And the other thing that you have to know about garlic is that it is a booster for your chickens. Like it boosts up the immune system of your chickens. Chickens that are having a diet of garlic, they have the strong immune system. So they are more resistable to diseases. Chickens that are fed on garlic, they don't get sick. If you've seen my videos, one of the videos when I was treating colyza for this chicken right here, the moment I was treating colyza, garlic was available. And the reason why garlic was there is because garlic also increases the regulation of blood in the chicken's body. When the regulation of blood is speed up, the chickens can be helped not to get affected. Like I can say, for my chickens which was sick, blood circulation increased, and it helped the chicken not to have the respiratory problem which it had to persist. So what you have to understand is that this garlic contains allicin, which fights, I can say, which helps to fight viruses, bacteria, and also fungi in chickens. So those are most important facts you have to understand about garlic. The other thing that you have to understand about garlic is that when it is given to your chickens, especially that aroma, the smell that it has, it also repels parasites. So when you are giving your chickens garlic, and especially for the chickens which are also laying, like those who are keeping layers, and also me, these are multi-purpose chickens. Like I can use them for meat, I can use them for eggs, fertile eggs. I can also use them as breeders. I can start breeding my own chickens with these chickens because they are local chickens, and these are pure local chickens. Except this one, which I'm having an issue with. It's not able to sit on the eggs, but the other ones are sitting on the eggs, which makes it good. So those are the main reasons why garlic should be part of your chicken diet. So now we are going to prepare garlic, and then we're going to give it to our chickens. So like last time I said, you only need two bulbs, like those, just two of those, not the whole bulb, but you only just two parts in order for you to put in a 4 liter mixture of water. Like for me, I have a 4 liter drinker. So we're going to prepare two bulbs. I'm sure you've seen how I prepare these ingredients. So we'll prepare them, then we'll give them to these chickens which are right here because we need them with the immune system which is strong. So I'll give the water to these chickens and also the other chickens which are also sitting on the eggs. I'm sure within 3 days, because the other one will be able to come out, but within 3 days, the other one, maybe in 4 to 5 days time, it will hatch. So the other one which just started earlier, which is having 1 week on the eggs, will be able also to drink that water, which will boost up the immune system of that chicken. So now let's prepare that ingredient that I've just talked about, and I've already given you the important and why you must have garlic in your poultry farming, maybe in your feed or maybe in your routine of feeding your chickens. So now let's prepare the garlic, then we give it to my chickens right here, because I cannot just be talking without giving you the way, and without maybe showing you how I prepare it, and without me not giving my chickens. So I'll give my chickens so that they be able to drink it and have the immune system strengthened, and they can be healthy and they won't have any respiratory problem. As you know, for us here in Zambia, it's the it's in August and it's always dusty. So the chickens needs to have the immune system strengthened so that we don't have to start expecting our chickens to have respiratory problems. So it's better to avoid it than to start treating it, because when we start treating it, that means even we'll have low in production. So guys, let's prepare now. So like I said, we're only going to use two bulbs. And the reason why I'm using these two is because I only have to mix in a 4-liter drinker. For those who are having maybe a huge number of chickens, you just put two of these because you don't have to overdose it. So you just put two in a 4 liters of water. These two, they will do great job. They will do magic to your chicken. So only use two for 4 liters of water. So in each and every liter that you are going to use, for example, if you are using 2 liters, you just add one, just one. It's good to go, especially when you are preventing. But if you are going to be treating, you make it a little bit extra. You add four of these in a 4 liters of water. But because of us, we are preventing, we just use two. But if you are going to be treating, use four of these. It's one bulb per liter if you are going to be treating. Then one bulb for 2 liters if you are preventing, just like us, because we don't want to start moving around, getting frustrated, our production getting down, our chicken stop laying eggs. Maybe after 3 days, that's when they start laying. So we prevent before an outbreak to strengthen the immune system of our chickens. So I'm going to prepare this. So like I said, I've explained. I hope those who don't like to watch the videos until the end, um, they've missed something, because there's some people who will just watch maybe 2 minutes, 1 minute. Those who they will miss the other important parts of not watching the whole video. You know, we have to develop the culture of knowing exactly how the preparation was done. A lot of people just like to watch the first parts of the videos, then they don't watch the entire video. Then they come into the comment section and ask, when the whole thing that you were doing in the video were done, they come and ask the same question of the same thing that you did in the video. So it's better to watch the entire video so that you have the full concept, the whole thing, what was done and how it was done. It's easy that way to have a proper understanding, because we usually give the whole thing unless otherwise, because I as in for me, I always explain everything in detail, why the reason and all stuff like that, how the preparation is supposed to be done and stuff like that. I always explain all that. So this is easy to prepare, very easy, because these are just soft things, because they are not dry. So it's very easy to prepare. Actually, for this one, even without sieving, because it's just one of the thing whereby chicken can't get choked with this preparation. So when you are preparing this, even without you sieving it, it's okay. It's very much okay, because this one can't choke your chicken and it can't make any problem. But just in case you are using, maybe you are using uh, you are using automatic drinkers, in order for those not to get stuck, or maybe to block the lines, that's when you can see. But for us who are using these manual drinkers, it's very much okay for us to just put in, then give it to our chickens, and the chickens will be able to drink this whole thing, because it's easy for us to just put in, then in, even clean up is easy. But for those using automatic drinkers, it's not really easy. It's not easy. So I'm done preparing this. Just now, as we are explaining, the whole thing is done. This is very easy. So let me just get some water. This one is the water that was given yesterday, so I need to remove this water and put the new water. that we are going to use. So let me just fetch some water, then we come and finish up the preparation. I don't know why these chickens are making a lot of noise right now. I don't know what's going on. If anybody has been watching my videos for so long, you can remember that cock. And then the cock that I had, which had coalizer, it's that black one over there. You've seen how good it has grown. It has grown to be a very big chicken now. No any synthetic medication, only organic treatment, and the chicken is very much okay. So let me just go closer to the chicken. I want you to see the power of organic treatment. I want you to look at the chicken, how healthy it looks and how big it's coming up. So let's just go in. I want to capture it on its own just so that you see close how good it looks. Let's go in and see, you see how it looks. So this was a bigger cock, but this is a cock. This chicken that had coalizer, this is this one right here. See how big it looks. Very, very big. It's nice. See how big it looks. This is a chicken that had coalizer last time. Chicken that I was treating organically. This is the chicken. See how big it looks. See how massive it looks. This is the chicken. This is it. It has grown to be this big. This is a pure proof of how organic really works out. You see, even just the way it moves. Look, very big chicken. Very big chicken. You see, organic treatment, no synthetic at all, nothing at all. You see that? So that's how powerful it is. So let's go and continue preparing, and then we give this antibiotic to our chickens. This is a very good, healthy chicken. Very healthy. You look at it. So let's go and finish the preparation now, guys. So this is it. Let's start with this. Do this. So this is where the whole thing is. Just do this. So this is it. See, the color of water has even changed. So you see? So we have prepared. This is the whole thing. We need it this way. So this is it. We prepare that way. You see, even the color of water has changed. So if you want, you can add up even a lemon on this one to make it more strong and more powerful for your chickens to have the strength that it needs. You can add the lemon as well. You can also add, like the other video that I did, that video very powerful for treating a cough, any stubborn cough. You can treat it using that remedy that I used, that I shown you on the previous video. So now let's give it to the chickens, the other chickens, even though they are still laying the eggs. But let me just put it in, and then they'll be able to drink this later. When they come out, they'll drink it. Let me just give you one more hint. The good part about preventing diseases in your chickens, it's more like killing the beast when it's still a baby. You know, when a beast is still a baby, it's easy to kill it. So this is why you need to prevent. Prevention is like killing the beast when it's still very, very young. Very easy. But when the beast grows, you know what happens. You start fighting. You start panicking. You need more strength. You need more ingredients. So for what we are doing here, we are killing the beast when it's still young. We are actually putting up on guard. We are putting protection. We're putting security before the beast even decides to come into our chickens, like what we are doing right now. So now let's just give it to our chickens. But since we are already done, let me just do my shout outs. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. If you're already a subscriber, share the video, like the video, put anything in the comment section, and we'll be able to answer you. So now let's just give this to our chickens. We save it there, we put it in there, then the chickens will be able to drink it and enjoy it and have the immune system which is strengthened, and also have them prevent worms coming in, the parasites coming in, and also respiratory issues. So let's give this to our chickens. I'm just going in and give this drink to our chickens, which is the best drink. So guys, I'll see you on the next video, and this was it for today. Bye bye. So we put it right here, then the chickens will be able to drink, then they'll have their immune system strengthened. So guys, see you on the other video.